put your hand on the left of the handlebar, and then just this, you're not going to grab the seat. Relax on the seat for a minute, and you might want to put your left leg a little bit backwards to get a little more leverage. Okay? And kind of looking up and eventually looking at that. And think of yourself just rocking it enough to be able to bring out the handlebar. Push back with your butt and your legs. Butt and legs. And then now, okay, now stop. Now grab the handle or grab the suspender stretch. Yep. And now just start walking. And now get your butt a little lower. Okay, so get your butt a little lower. Keep your hands on the stretch. Okay. Yep. And now just start walking. Yep. You got it. You got it. Nice. What do you think? How'd it feel? It's just that initial part is truly, and once you've done it though, you know, okay, just be patient, get the right positioning, and then once you do, you're out.